Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back to another episode of Spark Your Life, and we have some big surprises for you today. So last week I showed you guys the installation video, linked below if you guys want to see that, but we're going to walk in and see how the drywallers are doing. So I have been through here. We did a few other things, so let's go take a look. Alright, so looks a whole lot different. Oh, by the way, I'm with Lucy. Say hi, Lucy. Or not. Okay, so check it out, guys. We got our drywall in as soon as it'll focus. There we go. So, looks a lot different, eh? Sweet. So, alright, so we also hung a few doors and did other couple odds and ends I'll show you guys. So this, if you remember, is the bathroom. So there's no lights in the house, and as you know, I never remember a flashlight. So we've got our bathroom there, and our tub. Everything's been drywalled out, and the toilet's gonna go right there. So super cool. We hung a door. Dad came by the afternoon and hung all the doors. So going to our hallway to our first bedroom. Drywalled out. Got the closet all done. Super cool. Going into the master bedroom now. So yeah, it's a little dark in here, but that's okay. We're having a hard time focus, are we, this morning? Alright, so, and then we have our master closet, and it is very dark in there. You guys probably won't be able to see much, but it's a closet and a light. So super awesome. We've got everything drywalled out. I'll take you downstairs. Other than the doors, we did some stuff in the basement too, and something outside I'll show you. So go ahead, Lucy, or I'll go first, but I'll show you guys all this drywall. Super cool. The guys did an awesome job. I'll go down here. There is a light down here. First we'll take left to the Michigan basement back here. I know, again, it's kind of dark, but let me know if you guys think this is creepy. Then you get this door right here. So we're gonna remove that door, but this again just goes into a crawl space, which you guys can't see anyway because it's pitch black. Anyway, so we got all our doors in. Our closet doors are coming with our trim. So here's the other like bathroom slash living area downstairs. And then go over here to another bathroom, hook the toilet up, the sink will go right there. So we've got this bathroom all done. Toilet paper. We've got this bathroom all done. A little towel closet right here. And look at this. This is our mechanical wall. So washer, dryer vent, washer box. Sewer, they did a really good job cutting around that. That was our beam. This is our chase, so it's virtually gone now. We did some leveling. So if you could see that line right there, we did some leveling with some cement yesterday, and I believe, yeah, it's hard enough. It's good. It's good. So this had, like I said in another video, there was like a 2-inch dip here. So we filled it all in with this leveling compound, and it did a really good job of smoothing it all out. So we'll probably have to grind a little bit, like right here, but most of this will fade away with the flooring. They got this all drywalled in, so this will be a super nice little extra storage space in here. Like you can see, even it was even low right there, and it faded into there. So we've got a crock sump right there. You guys probably haven't seen that since we last demoed. Lucy's going crazy over this drywall. So, going up in here, there was like a door right here, as you guys can remember. So we took that out and we enclosed all of this and sealed it all up nice. Look at that. So, super awesome there. It's gonna be super nice when it's all painted. So, if you guys can see, it's not been taped and mudded yet. Those guys will be back Tuesday, I think. And when they come back Tuesday, come on, Lucy, then you'll be able to see it all like finished, and then we'll start painting, and I'll probably do a time lapse of it. But I wanted to show you guys this. So if you guys don't remember this step, it's kind of hard to see because of the sun. So we poured this lip right here. So there's a lip on this now, and we poured the top of this. So there was a big divot in the middle. We busted that out and filled it full of concrete, and then water was over there, and it was kind of like piling there, so there's a nice good even slope. So not bad for a couple of people who don't know how to pour concrete, but you can kind of see there's a nice little slope that goes from the door out. So that looks a heck of a lot nicer now. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if it looks like a whole new house to you, because it does to me, especially from when we first started. If you haven't seen those first videos, go ahead and back and check those out. So there you have it, YouTubers, another episode of Spark Your Life. We'll see you next time. Thanks.